This lady told me that you don't need many things to start BLW. So today we're gonna unbox a couple of items and to show you what we've gotten for Reighley. There are 4 things that we'll be unboxing today. This is the first bead that I got from Bumpkins. We actually got a friend's help to get this from Amazon. She's based in Japan and thankfully Amazon Japan carries these different products. Okay, let me see how this works. Oh, this is a long-sleeved bead, and on the back it's like a apron kind of design where it doesn't hook you up on the neck but rather it ties up on the back of the child. I love the design. It's gender neutral, right? The second one. Take it out. Similar concept. Long-sleeved as well. The one thing that probably isn't too ideal is that it's a velcro on the back. It seems like it's hooked onto the neck, but definitely a win because of the design. You like this? Hey! Okay, third one. It's a white color neck bead. This is not like the most ideal lah, but you know, the design is so cute and pretty. The final one is a silicone grip dish. So pretty! The nice thing about this is that there is a silicone grip over here. So let's say if you have a surface, you can actually grip it on and it doesn't move. So I guess Reighley is ready for her BLW journey. It won't be 100% BLW kind of feeding, but rather it's going to mix it up with feeding her and also her helping herself to the food. Lunch is ready! So today we have pork from the black bean soup, salmon that's pan-fried without any oil or salted, mashed potato, carrots and also black beans, and a little bit of the black bean soup just to wash down the food. Oh, by the way, do you see this stock chair over here? That's one of the things we've also gotten. This is actually a gift that's been passed on from generation since Patricia's time, then to my cousin's kids. Now Reighley's using it. Are you ready for your lunch? Ding, 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 ding. So yeah, this is the suction plate that we have got, the Hello Kitty version. The suction is pretty strong. Even if I pull it, it doesn't really move. I'm so happy.
Not ready yet because you haven't put the bead.
Darling, which one you want?
Oh, okay.
Well done. One more thing that we've also gotten was the Gootensils. We've been rotating between both of the spoons. These Gootensils are meant to be easier than a spoon and it promotes independence. One with the in-between one for when she first starts out to try eating on her own, and the other one where there is a gap in between is for a later stage. I need to go get my baby right now, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye! You want to be in the video lah, that's right. Let's try this one on my little dog.